Hi, kindergartners. It's Mrs. Vega. I am so happy to communicate to you via a video. Unfortunately, we are not able to be together. We are not able to be in our classrooms and see each other and engage and learn together and play together. It's not your fault. It's no one's fault. We have to take a lot of precautions because of the situation that we are living right now with the virus going around, and we have to keep our bodies and ourself safe and healthy. Okay, so hopefully we would see each other soon. Okay. Meanwhile, I'm going to be teaching through all sorts of things, all sorts of different ways. For example, I will be making videos for you and explaining different things that I want you to learn. Maybe I'm going to read a story, and I'm going to be sending packets home of all the activities I want you to do and work out from home. Okay, so this time I'm going to read a story, and we are going to continue with our lesson number 16. And this is from Unit 3. And we were learning about science, and the essential question, if you remember, was what kinds of things do scientists do? That was one question, if you remember, that we were discussing together in the classroom before spring break and before our school year got canceled. And so this question was pondered into our heads, and we were just wondering, like, what do scientists do? And we were reading all these different stories and searching in the internet, and doing all these kinds of activities, right, to figure it out, to find out the answer for this question. So today, the story that I'm going to read asks another question. The question is, what is science? So what is science? So science has to do with what scientists study, right? What do scientists do? So maybe this book is going to answer a lot of the questions that we have. Okay, and my camera, it's not working very good today, so I'm gonna stop this video, and then I'm going to start another video with the story, because I'm gonna flip the camera and I want you to see the pictures, because this book has wonderful pictures that I want you to see and enjoy. And at the end of the story, I want you to think about what you heard, okay? And because Mrs. Vega is going to ask some questions about the story, and so you are going to answer those questions in writing, okay? I want you to write those answers in your journal, in your handwriting journal. Because remember, you have 3 journals that we use in class. You have the green journal, the red journal, and then the handwriting journal. And I want for the specific activity, I want you to use the handwriting notebook. okay, where you write all your high frequency words and all those special words that we write. That's the notebook I want you to use for today, okay? After the story, I will ask the questions. And so you are going to, with the help of your parents, you are going to answer those questions in writing, okay? Because I want you to practice your writing, and I want you to practice your sentence, writing your sentences correctly. So remember, we start from left and then we go to the right. We start a sentence with an uppercase and we end a sentence with a period. And remember, the only letter that is uppercase is the very first letter at the beginning of the sentence. Okay, the rest of the letters need to be lower cases. And then between words, you have to leave a space. Okay, so I hope you remember that when you're writing your answers for these questions. Okay, ready? I'm going to stop this video and then I'm going to restart the video with the story. Okay, so get comfortable. Find a cozy, comfortable space in your house and enjoy the story.